As a business owner, you might like the idea to run your models locally, an AI with everything on your server so there are no data privacy issues. Well, we can build something like that with Ollama and Langflow, so let's see how we can do it. Now let's see if we can get something up and running here in a minute or two. This is my Linux terminal and I'm running Ollama. I have several models here that are locally available, and business owners often prefer to have something that is running locally. So let's build an AI flow using a local Ollama model. To do that, I click on New Project. I will select a blank flow. We need a chat input here. I will pick the Ollama component. And if everything is well, you should be able to pick one of the available models here. I'm going to use this one. StarCoder would be a good option for coding. And of course you can also use Llama models from Meta. Now let's connect these two components together. And I would also like to connect an output component here. I like that we can see the matching colors here, so it's not as complicated to find the right connection as it was in the past. That should be it. So let's see if it works. We can use the playground to test it right away, or we could use the API to export it. So let's ask it, what is 5 plus 5? And we get an error. Why is that? I have not picked the right model, so let's do that. When you click on the play button here, you can check if the component is okay. It will get a green check mark like in this case. So let's rerun the test and say what is 6 plus 6. And here is the answer. So it was easy to get this model running. Now let's change it and use Llama and ask a question like, who is Olaf Scholz? And you might notice this time it's taking a lot longer. The server is busy and I need to wait, and here is my answer. Well, it's a long answer and it's very detailed, but I wanted to show you that you need to take into consideration that local models may have less power than the hosted ones that you can get from vendors like OpenAI. And in this case, I'm only a single person using this solution. Imagine you will have 20 people using the same thing in your company, then you would probably need a lot of computing power or a better model. But anyhow, our AI flow is working as expected, and in this little video you have learned how to create one which is running locally with Langflow and Ollama. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems. And now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month. We will do the setup and the programming. And if you want one, just click on the link below.